Hello guys, welcome to Zaytoon Tats Plus channel on YouTube. In this lesson we will work with CSS background image. Before we start, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment the videos. Now we will start using CSS to add background image. For this, we should open our bracket and our live preview. We have created a folder in here, lesson 2. In lesson 2, we have our HTML and our style CSS folder and some images. Now we start working with bracket. We have added this codes because they are easy to add. You can add it and you should add it every time yourself. Do not copy it up to when you memorize this code. Now we go to style.css. First of all, we add the image. We add body. We add image background for body. Body background image URL. Now in here in style CSS, we should have the image in here because we can add only style.css, but we need to go one folder back, then go to image and select one image. For this we add two dots slash image and like one.jpg. Our image added in the background. Now we go to HTML and add some codes in here. We go to libsum.com. We add h1. CSS tutorial. Now we create 20 paragraphs. And here we copy this. We add p tag. Then we paste the text in here. Now we save it. Our text added into our website. Now we go to style.css and add some styles in here. Now first for h1 we change the color to white. We can change the color in three ways. First of all, we can add the name, or we can add the hex code. Or we can use to do it by RGB. We want to copy this style for our paragraph too. We can do it in the two easy ways. First we can copy our style and paste it in here, or we can do like this. We add a comma in here and P. Our style has changed. Now if we scroll our page, our image scrolls too, but we want our image should not scroll. For this we add background background attachment, fixed, oh, we didn't close this tag. Now if we scroll our page, our background won't scroll. The other thing that you can do with CSS is to make the background image only one. To do this, repeat, no repeat. If we type no repeat, the background image won't repeat. If we do it repeat X, they will be repeated in here, or repeat Y like this. Repeat is okay for now. Now we want to add the background image for our header and for paragraph. To do that, first of all, we need for H1 we need this. Background image 2.jpg, and for paragraph we want to use background image 3.jpg. Our style has changed. Now we want to add background. Now we want to change this color to black. We use the name. Now we know how to change the background with CSS, background of our whole page, our paragraph, or our header. Now we want to work with one color image. For this, we delete this. Now we change. We don't want to delete this, but we don't want this should be active. For this, we comment this. To comment this, we add this code. Now I want this. I want to add another background image. Background image, URL, two dots, image 4.jpg. We can delete this. We want they should be in one line. If we do like this, it hasn't any problem. Now if we open this, we see that our background has repeated. We don't want to get repeated our image. Now we type in here no repeat. In here we don't want to get repeated, it won't repeat. Now we want to make this image in the center. To do this, we add background position. We can use it by percentage or by px. It's in the background. Now we want to change the background color. To change the background color, we need to add this code. Background color. We come to Photoshop. Now we copy this color code. We have done. This was the tutorial that we have worked with background image. Up to next lesson, have a good time and practice this a lot.